How to draw Hyde from the Wednesday series. Draw a small circle for the Hyde's face. Now, draw a line as spine of Hyde to follow the body shape. Draw a big circle which is the body of the Hyde. Draw two small circles inside the small circle which is drawn earlier. These two circles are eyes of the Hyde. Since both the knee and elbow of Hyde are of the same height, draw a line for measurement. Now follow the lines which are hands and legs of the Hyde. The circles are knee and elbow for reference. Now start with the mouth of the Hyde and shade around the eyes. Now follow the image and draw the legs. For easier versions of drawing legs and hands, I have given an example at the side of the Hyde. Draw rectangles at the end of the hands and legs, it will help for easier tracing of the shape. Draw the nails of the Hyde. Now draw the hair, shade the area around Hyde's eyes and eyeballs. Start shading the darker parts. Or you can simply first shade lightly the complete Hyde and at the last shade darker parts. Well done. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.